This video is sponsored by Value Testers for a complete line of specialty work-related tools, biggest selection and best pricing.
So I got a call from my son or
upgrade your tools, think Value Testers.
Son-in-law. He's gonna pay me, so let's go there and fix it. I've worked for this guy before. I never worked at this house, I don't believe. Well, maybe I have. But I'm on my way there now. Hopefully I get there before it rains. It's supposed to rain all day. If it's starting to rain when I get there, I'll bail out. I mean, I don't work on air conditioning in the rain, not outside.
In 1/4 mile, turn left on Highway 140.
So, try to get you some shots if it's something. Be a capacitor. Sometimes it's something simple, you know, burnt wire or low on gas, who knows. She's an older lady, she got health care over there, so they're gonna want to try to fix it the cheapest possible, obviously.
Turn left on Highway 140.
I'll try to get you some shots. Make sure the filter's clean. That's a carrier. No, it's dirty. Take that downstairs and clean it. Hey guys, I got the filter back in. It's all washed. I washed it down in the sink. Let's turn it on and see what's happening with it. Isolation, that's nice. It's a carrier. One 14-inch. I mean, oh, I got another one over there. We got a couple of returns. Couple of 14s.
Told me to turn on cool and it's supposed to work and it didn't work.
Alright, we'll check it outside. It just ran and shut off, then started up again. It must be going off on low pressure. See it? It's going off on low pressure. Must be low on Freon. Beast. Put the gauges on it, we'll check, but I guarantee that's what's happening. Off again. 22 unit for sure. See, it's got a king valve there. You gotta make sure that you back that thing all the way out before you pull that off. Then get your gauge on and push that down in a little bit. You're gonna have problems with that if you don't. It's all the way out, so this thing should be able to come off. I got no pressure. What you're gonna do is just gotta turn this in a little bit, you know. We're low on gas. That's how you do a king valve. Yeah, we're low on Freon. See it? Gotta put some gas in it. It's gonna be close to 100 degrees over the weekend. I gotta get gas in this thing. It's gonna need to. That's not good. It's an older system. Put some gas in it. You can feel it's coming out. It's not even warm coming out. I knew it was undercharged. It was shutting off on low limit too. My tank's getting low. hose on there, and you can back it in a little bit. You know, it'll open that port. That's how you do it. Give it a little time, put some gas in it. Take a little time. My tank's starting to get a little empty. I might have to put some liquid in there. I'll have to get another can. Go back home and get some more 22 maybe. It's always easier to put it in as faster to put it in as a liquid, but you got to be careful that you meter it. You don't want to put in too much, and then you start flooding the compressor. Gonna meter it a little bit. As you watch this valve, it starts turning white. You're putting in too much. We'll always go in faster as a liquid. To charge it. I usually say if you go in 10 pounds over what it is, so around 58 or something would be good going in with liquid. Not too much. Keep an eye on the king valve. It starts, because what's happening is you're dumping liquid in there, and it's going to mix with the gas. And if you start dumping too much in there, and it starts icing up, you could kill the compressor. Just go easy with it. They do make a device that you could put on there that you don't have to worry about that. I have one in my other kit. Should probably do a video on that. For flashing the gas, flashing the liquid in with the gas. Suction pressure's low, I don't like to see. Subcooling's about where we need to be. Superheat's right where we need to be. I don't really want to add any more gas to it. This is low. This should be up, it's not that warm today. It's probably about 70 degrees, probably 65 in the house, so on a hotter day this will come up. I just put a bunch of liquid in there, so we're gonna run it for a little while and let it stabilize, but yeah, that's definitely lower than I'd like to see. But his system, he needs a new system here. I mean, I'll let him know I put gas in it for now to get her by, but he's gonna have to go with a new system. Be the final right there, I guess. So what you gotta do on these is, like I said, just the reverse. Make sure this is backed all the way out, and then I'll shut that off, and you can take off your gauges. It's important information right there, Ma. This is an elderly lady. They basically 24-hour care here watching us, so I don't know what they're going to want to do with the system. I'm not sure. Usually hold that into the light blinks, then it's off. Hold this into the light blinks, and it's off. Do this one. It's off. Spoiling smart tool. Look at my app, make sure they're all dropped out so I know that they're off. If not, you know, you're burning batteries out of them. .06 was the last time I took it out of the truck, and with 10.6, so 2 pounds. I mean, it's not too bad. When it goes in the truck, it's weighed. Then when I take it out, when I bring it back to the truck, I weigh it again. Tells me how much I used. But we're getting low there on gas. I mean, I gotta get another tank as a backup. Maybe one more charge up. I'm gonna need more gas. She's running low. She's getting light, Mama. She's getting light. I kind of like this scale. I mean, it's a slim unit. I'm ready for a new scale, I think. But I have this a long time. Leave it on about 72. It's not that warm in the house, anyway.